In this video, I'll show you how Logos deepens the accessibility, usefulness, and depth of the standard Greek lexicon, Bdag, with features like word lookup from English translations, clickable links to primary source texts, lexicon reformatting, emphasizing active references, and more. Let's say you're studying 1 John 5:14 when you find that Christians can have confidence before God and you want to know more about the word confidence in the original Greek. Bdag is an essential tool for this kind of original language work, but working with such a comprehensive resource can be daunting. In Logos, you can learn about any word by right-clicking it. The context menu surfaces resources that fit the English word confidence, including Bdag. Select the lemma or dictionary form of the word, and open Bdag from the context menu. Logos turns directly to the Bdag entry where it shows 3 basic definitions for parousia, marked by a black circle with a number inside. The editors provide extended definitions for each sense of the word in bolded text and mark good working equivalents for the Greek word in translation in bold italics. In the Logos version of Bdag, footnotes, abbreviations, primary source texts, and other connected entries are linked. Clicking on an obscure abbreviation then, like VL, reveals this stands for Varia Lectio, a Latin phrase meaning variant reading. You can also click on citations provided by the editors to preview or jump to the ancient source being cited, like Josephus's Antiquities. Hover to preview the entry, or click to open it in a new panel. Lexicon entries are notoriously difficult to scan, so Logos provides additional formatting features to help you organize the information and surface the most important sections for your study. To view a more organized format, click on the Visual Filters icon and select Outline Formatting. The outlined structure expands the entry visually, both organizing it and making it more useful and scannable. Now, because you're studying a specific verse, it's important to note if the editors cite 1 John 5:14 somewhere in this long entry. Instead of scanning through the text, click on the Visual Filters icon and select Emphasize Active References. This will immediately locate and highlight all the places the editors cite the passage you have pulled up in your Bible in the lexicon. Notice how Logos highlights 1 John 5:14 in the third definition, a state of boldness and confidence, courage, confidence, boldness, fearlessness, under the second subsection in relation to God. Now we arrived at this current entry by starting with the biblical text, but in Logos you can also start with Bdag to locate mentioned words in your text. Click the inline search icon and type 1 John 5:14 to show everywhere it appears within the lexicon. The editors reference this exact verse 7 times in the entries. To view any entry in more context, change the displayed results to paragraph or article, or click any entry to open it. Finally, whenever you study a particular word, your understanding can be sharpened by comparing and contrasting it with similar words. Since the ESV translates parousia as confidence, let's see what other words share the same suggested gloss in Bdag. Type confidence in the search bar and click All Text to show the search filter options. Expand search fields and choose Formal Equivalent to find everywhere the English word confidence appears in the lexicon as a gloss. Logos deepens lexical studies with resources like Bdag by organizing the entries, surfacing the most important details for your current context, and by providing advanced searching tools for making new connections.